All right, this video is going to explain the needs versus wants assignment. Part one here gives you a whole list of different items that might be part of a budget. And you're thinking of, like, to you personally, what do these things mean? One in this box means that you consider it a need. Two, it's a high priority want, and then three, low priority. So high priority just means, like, absolutely, if that was in my budget, I would spend my money on that. Three, oh, it's a want, I could probably live with or without it. So go through and mark all of these items on both pages 1 through 3. Then you're going to come down to part 2, and we're saying that you have a $900 budget for the month to kind of spread out amongst these things. So you're going to list the items, so maybe gym membership, and then what is the amount you would spend. And then I'm going to go and look and be like, okay, I also have subscriptions because I have Netflix or whatever. And that, put Netflix or subscriptions and then the amount. So you'll just kind of work through that till you have spent your budget. And then you're going to come down to this part and kind of just answer these questions, reflecting back kind of on that budget and how you labeled the items. And then on part 3, we have a little scenario here, and then you answer these questions in regards to that scenario. So that is how you complete the needs versus wants assignment.